Hey, welcome back. It is a beautiful, beautiful rainy day and it's my birthday. Let's hang together and see what we can get up to. I just love walking outside as soon as I wake up, feeling the earth beneath my feet, breathing, smelling the freshness of the morning and hearing all the sounds of life waking up. For those of you that have been watching my channel, you'll notice that I have done some things to the garden. It's not quite as wild anymore. I have co-planted some Swiss chard with marigolds, and I've got some turmeric and ginger in the ground as well. I've tried to get a hold on the snail problem that I've got. If you have any advice of natural remedies, please hit me in the comments down below. I've also moved my raised bed to the side where I'm going to be planting some more winter plants. I've got some fennel still in the ground, which is making little babies. You can see it's quite beautiful. The smell is just so divine. Some more marigolds, which I still have to sort out. A large turmeric plant, which I still want to make use of, using the leaves a bit more in my tea and also in my soups. Quite a thick stem. I'm definitely going to have to transplant this very, very, very soon. This pot is way too small. Some strawberries that have gone wild, and here we have a piece of turmeric root which I'm going to be using in my food later on. Some lavender, which I also love using in my tea. Rosemary, which I also use in my tea. Ginger and turmeric in the ground as well. Let's head inside. Elaine is going to be calling us, my best friend from China, and we are going to be doing some crocheting together. It has actually been raining like this for the past week again in the northwest area, and once again it's been flooding everywhere, so everyone's pretty much staying inside.
Ako sa umas ka na.
Mayain na lamos.
Ja.
Die wat ouder is. Ek is nou net te laat na Mickey.
Ja, fair enough.
Maar jy weet wat, my moeitjie. Ek is dankbaar my moeder het gekom. Jy raak 'n bietjie te crochet. Girl.
Ja.
Do you also have a friend that you can just chat to for hours and hours and it never feels like, there's an awkward moment? Go ahead and check in the description down below for the link to making this beanie. Blah blah blah.
C'est comme un espace-temps dans lequel on est avant que les choses nous arrivent. The sort of calm that you can feel when you don't know that some events are about to change you. It's the beginning of the trip. C'est le début du voyage. It's the beginning of the escape.
voor mijn naam is Casey voor Kagiso.
Hi Kagiso.
Ja.
Dankie.
Oh ja.
Dankie dat jy my birthday so special
Ja, baie dankie.
Hallo my maatjie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I love
Happy
you.
birthday. Happy
Birthday to you. Oh. My pa se myntjie.
Dit is 'n groot persoon.
Oh, dankie my maat.
Dit is
Oh.
nooit meer so skildery.
I am so grateful. I cannot even express in words how thankful I am to be alive, how thankful I am to be breathing. Especially since I had a near-death experience just a month ago. I had a near-death experience. We were on a safari and an elephant came out of the bush whilst we were just like in our safe zone in a normal day. Yes, we were in a different environment where there were wild animals, but you don't think that this would happen to you. You never ever really think that this would happen to you, but then it happened a month ago.
Dis 'n vogel.
Sy's agter hulle en hulle het voor in die middel. Hulle is in die shit.
Erik. Dis okay want hulle gaan nie. Maar dis nie lekker nie.
Dis nie lekker nie.
There's one more coming onto the Tela 6 Foxtrot. Just a young Madora, so it's fine.
Copy, thank you.
Dit was so scary.
Nee, ag, wat nie. Nie rarig nie.
Die koeie is rustig met die kafies hulle.
Maar nee, voel daai koei was nie lekker.
Daai ma was
nie
koei.
rustig nie. Sy was bietjie aan.
Moet hierdie ding backtrack, hy loop terug.
Ja, want hy's 'n China. Hy's 'n jong bull. Maar
Nee,
dan is enige
yeah,
hassle
already
gee, slaat ek nie die
seen
kans van die
lots
dier en dan sal hy weggaan.
Out of the bush, this elephant just decided to charge us, and it had enough, and it went for the cruiser to push it over, and we had to speed off, and we hit a like a bump or uneven ground in the road, and I flipped up and
Op nou fuck op gestamp. Maar ry. Sy's agter. Ry Jason, ry.
Dus ek het nou seer gekry.
I flipped up and I was thrown around in the safari like a rag doll. and I was injured. I got a hairline fracture on my chest, and I tore some muscles. And this past month was really very eye-opening for me, especially because I lost my mom recently, which was a year ago. Besides that, I've been thinking about, you know, the afterlife for a while now, and that just like obviously brought it to the forefront so much more. And when it's your birthday, you kind of take a step back and you just think about life again, and you just appreciate life once again, you know. It was such a close call, guys. I honestly thought to myself, you know, in the 39 years that I've lived, I've experienced a lot. I have traveled, I have tasted foods, I've met with many people, I have had my heart broken, I've overcome drug abuse, I have turned around at death's door where God gave me a second chance and truly just breathed life back into me again when I overdosed. God saved me from that. I mean, the things that I faced while I was in modeling, eating disorders, but struggling to make my way in the industry of television. I slept on a mattress on the floor. I didn't have food most days. I was alone. My whole family was in the small area of Klerksdorp, and I was in the city, and I honestly felt like I made it. And then, you know, that big thing happened that we all know, where we all stayed inside and realized once again what is most important. And I'm so grateful that I had that time with my mom, but I'm also still grateful that I'm here because I have met the best people in Klerksdorp, and I love everyone that's in my life. And yes, I've got a small handful of people that has my back, that I truly know has my back, but it's so good to have a support system, guys. It's so good to be able to vent, laugh, eat together, share a meal, cry together, share birthdays together, celebrate. What else do we have in life if we don't have that? If we don't have community, and if we don't have people that can support you and lift you up, and that's why I'm so grateful for you guys as well. Just thank you for being in my life. And yes, I hope to be able to grow with you guys as much as I've grown with my friends, the ones that have stuck around. I met Coco. This is Coco. This is my baby boo boo butt. He has been my best friend for the past going on 16 years now. But thank you so much, guys, for being in my life and starting to get to know me. I'm grateful. And yes, hope to see you guys again soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Until we meet again, remember, be the light that you wish to see in this world.